First, make sure your charging case has some juice. You'll know it's charging if the LED on the front lights up white. Next, check that there's nothing blocking the earbuds from connecting properly with the case. Then, pop the earbuds into the case and look for a blinking white light on the front. That means they're charging. If your capsule isn't charging, plug in the charging case using the USB-C cable that came with it. Make sure it's connected firmly to both the case and the USB-C power adapter. If you're having trouble resetting your earbuds, head over to your device's Bluetooth setting and remove Raycon Open Earbuds from the list. Then place the earbuds back into their case. Want to do a hard reset? Easy. Just put both earbuds into the charging capsule, close the lid, and wait about 5 to 10 seconds. That should do the trick. Still stuck? Feel free to reach out to our support team.